Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you are iPhone user and you are facing this problem, no surfing on your iPhone top right corner showing no signal, Wi-Fi or mobile data, no SIM signal available on your iPhone. So keep watching this video until then because I have an amazing solution about this problem. Guys, first of all open setting application and here tap on mobile data. First of all type on network selection and must be turn on here. Make sure this feature turn on from here, and if this available, now go back from here. See the next solution. Simply scroll down and tap on general, tap on date and time. Hey guys, must be selected, set automatically turn on from here. You can see appears on screen, and now go back from here and see the next solution. And guys, close this window, and guys, once a time open your sim card and reopen your sim card. I hope your problem by this method your network available. After this method simply tap on setting. If this method not work, scroll down, tap on general, then scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset network setting. I hope after reset network setting, your problem about Wi-Fi, about SIM service will be solved. After reset network setting, enter the mobile passcode and do the reset network setting of your iPhone. Guys, in video last, I am telling you tap on general. You can check software update of your iPhone. If update is available, now update your software. I hope your problem will be solved after these methods. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.